Hello everyone, we are from Group 1. We will present and explain about chemical analysis of cosmetics by using spectrophotometry. Before we go deeper, we must know what exactly means by cosmetics. So a cosmetic is a substance used in contact with various parts of the human body such as epidermis, hair, nails, and external parts, which is for the purpose of enhancing a person's appearance and to improve the quality of their skin. All cosmetic products must be effective, long-lasting, stable, and safe to human use. Unfortunately, toxic ingredients are frequently found in cosmetics such as urea or heavy metals like plumber, nickel, cuprum, and cobalt that can cause contact dermatitis for many people. We know that spectrophotometry is a method to measure how much a chemical substance absorbs light by measuring the intensity of light as a beam of light passes through a sample solution, and can also be used to measure the amount of a known chemical substance. So because of these abilities, a spectrophotometer is known as new technology which can assist manufacturers in detecting impurities and other harmful additives in makeup. As a result of a spectrophotometer method, the concentration and the amount of heavy metals used in the cosmetic product can be detected. When the concentration is known, it will help in the medical field because we can detect the length of time left on the skin and the presence of emollients and penetration enhancer in the cosmetic product. Thus, it makes it easier for doctors to help a patient who has dermatitis.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Shamila with metric number 210858. So now, I will proceed to the mechanism part or how the analysis of cosmetic is done by using spectrophotometry. But before that, it is better to let you guys know why it is a must to determine the toxicity in the cosmetic products. Cosmetics are one of the most important sources that release heavy metals to humans and also the environment. For your information, high doses of heavy metals could be deadly, and even low term exposure to low levels of heavy metals may cause certain chronic diseases like cancers. Typically, heavy metals found in the products are not intentionally added to the formulations, but they are simply impurities in the products. That's why sometimes we cannot see any metal ingredients listed on the label of the brands. Impurity is a substance not intentionally added to a product, but rather is either a byproduct of the manufacturing process formed by the breakdown of the ingredients, or it may also be from the environmental contaminants of raw ingredients. So next, I'll be explaining the procedure in determining the concentrations of heavy metals in cosmetic products by using spectrophotometry. So here comes the essential part, which is the sampling of cosmetics. A type of cosmetic samples of any brands must first be collected. Each sample is then labeled, coded with numbers or alphabets for easy identifications, and physically analyzed in terms of their colors, ingredients, or manufacturing details. The table example is shown in the slides beside me. The next part is preparing the digestions of cosmetic samples. For a solid sample, about 1 gram of sample is measured and placed in a conical flask. Then, 15 ml of concentrated nitric acid is added, followed by 5 ml of 30% hydrogen peroxide and another 5 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. The flask is then sealed properly for about 15 minutes to allow the reactions to complete. The mixture is then heated at the required temperature. Let's say we heat the mixture at 150 degrees Celsius in the fume hood until no more brown fumes are observed. Then, they are allowed to cool before a measured volume of deionized water is added. Finally, the mixture is filtered and diluted accordingly. The digestion should be performed in triplicate to ensure the accuracy of the final results. The last part is an analysis of heavy metals of the digested samples. The purpose of doing this is to determine the presence of heavy metals such as plumber, cadmium, and mercury by using AAS, which is Atomic Absorption Spectrophotometer. AAS analyzes the concentrations of elements in a liquid sample based on the energy absorbed from certain wavelengths of light. From the results, the highest concentrations of heavy metal indicates the product has the highest amount of toxicity, which is harmful to humans. However, the presence of one type of metal does not necessarily indicate the presence of the other types because the metals are not probably from the same source. So I think that's all for my part. Moving on to our next presenter.
There are some advantages and disadvantages of using spectrophotometry for the chemical analysis of cosmetics. First, let's have a look on the advantages. Spectrophotometry helps producers detect impurities and other harmful additives in makeup with the help of unique spectra in each compound. Next, many cosmetics and other dermatological products contain toxic ingredients that may be harmful. Spectra analysis can provide important information to help ensure the safety and quality of these products. Because foundation is meant to mimic a customer's natural skin tone, precise color formulation and consistency matters. Even slight variations in color could make the foundation appear either too light or too dark for someone's natural skin. People of color who have darker skin tones often find color matching particularly difficult as many foundation shades make their skin appear gray or ashy. By distilling color to numerical data, spectrophotometers quantify each foundation shade and can detect even the most subtle differences between shades. As such, these sophisticated color measurement instruments take the guesswork out of the formulation process, showing you exactly what color the resulting shade is and determining whether your product falls within the tolerance you specify. Finally, spectrophotometry is preferred in the cosmetic industry because it confirms the data obtained with visual inspection and quantifies it numerically, which reduces potential color errors early on the process. This saves cosmetic manufacturers valuable time and money while securing them a consistent high quality product with a high resale value at the outset. Every method has its own advantages and disadvantages. For spectrophotometry, you have to prepare a homogeneous solution with optical density not too low and not too high. Some compounds can dissolve only in nonpolar solvents, thus you cannot use plastic cuvettes. For UV, you cannot use glass cuvettes. If you have a lot of compounds with close characteristic wavelengths in a specimen, they can obstruct each other. And you have to carefully check pH because many colored substances are pH dependent. Despite having a fixed cost, spectrophotometry requires a high cost to perform.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Mara Vidishan Sudain. My metric number is 211066, and today I will continue the presentation by explaining about the importance of spectrophotometer in cosmetics. Many people use cosmetics in their daily life, right? However, many people are unaware of the harmful ingredients used in the cosmetic products. This is why spectrophotometer plays an important role in chemical analysis, which can ensure purity and quality of cosmetics and other dermatological formulations. For instance, urea, often used as a preservative in cosmetics products because it can sustain moisture and enhance the shelf life. According to the Cosmetics Info database, short and long-term studies have found that even in large doses, urea seems to be safe for topical use with a low risk of side effects. However, in some cases, urea may cause mild skin irritation and symptoms like stinging, itching, or burning. Thus, in dermatological therapy products and cosmetics, spectrophotometer can be used to detect water-soluble urea content, which may increase toxicity. In fact, the use of spectrophotometer is a rapid, relatively sensitive, and a low-cost method. Next, it also provides quality control in the cosmetics, which is able to identify the impurities in the cosmetics. For instance, selenium, barium, and chromium are toxicological properties present in the cosmetic products. When it comes to cosmetics, color is everything. Whether we're looking for a dramatic smoky eyeshadow or enhance our natural skin tone a shade lighter or darker, it can change the entire look. So with the use of spectrophotometer, color measurement enables the users to use the color correcting, which will appear more natural to the user as it provides seamless blend based on the skin tone. For example, CM700D spectrophotometer was designed to evaluate the color and appearance of the samples. Hence, in order to determine the accuracy, sensitivity, and specificity of the products, mass spectrophotometer also can be used for measurement of mass to charge ratio of ions in a sample to chemically detect and quantify the substances present. That's all from me. Now I will pass to the next presenter.
Today's cosmetics market is an international superpower, offering an overwhelming variety of options. When faced with all those options, consumers using the quality and safety of a product to dictate their spending. Chemical analysis is often used to ensure both the purity and quality of cosmetics and other dermatological formulations. The good news is that new technology like spectrophotometers can help producers detect impurity and other harmful additives in makeup. Method of chemical analysis in cosmetics is easy, effective, and time efficient. Then, using color technology for chemical analysis in cosmetics allows manufacturers to create specific formulations that are free of impurities, which can then be repeatedly used for quality control. To conclude, spectrophotometers provide a safe, simple, and effective method of chemical analysis of cosmetics.